Twotwo CrazyAI brings you today's curated AI industry news. OpenAI officially enters healthcare. Gmail gets its biggest AI update in 20 years. Alibaba open sources multimodal retrieval models. Zhipu announces GLM-5 on IPO day, and xAI unveils a coding agent. Let's dive into today's developments.
On January 8, 2026, OpenAI officially launched OpenAI for Healthcare, an AI healthcare solution suite, marking the AI giant's first strategic entry into the vertical medical sector. The suite is built on the latest GPT 5.2 model and is fully compliant with HIPAA medical data privacy standards, providing enterprise-level guarantees, including business associate agreements, data residency, and customer-managed encryption keys. The products include ChatGPT for Healthcare and OpenAI API for Healthcare, supporting clinical decision support, medical research assistance, and patient data integration. Before launch, OpenAI collaborated with 260 doctors from 60 countries, evaluating over 600,000 model outputs in real clinical scenarios. Currently, 8 world-class medical institutions, including Boston Children's Hospital, Stanford Medicine Children's Health, and Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, have begun using the suite.
On January 8, 2026, Google announced Gmail's official entry into the Gemini era, unveiling the email service's largest AI feature update in 20 years. Powered by the latest Gemini 3 model, Gmail can now intelligently handle massive email volumes. AI Inbox automatically filters irrelevant content and highlights important emails based on your email habits and contact relationships. AI Overviews condenses conversations with dozens of replies into key point summaries, saving significant reading time. The upgraded Suggested Replies feature no longer offers simple button responses, but generates complete sentence suggestions based on conversation context and your personal writing style. Additionally, Help Me Write and the new Proofread feature are now freely available to all users, providing comprehensive AI writing support from drafting to polishing.
Alibaba's Qwen team announced the official open sourcing of Qwen 3 VL embedding and Qwen 3 VL re-ranker series models, marking a major open source advancement in multimodal AI retrieval. These are the first open source models specifically designed for multimodal information retrieval and cross-modal understanding, capable of processing text, images, screenshots, videos, and mixed modal inputs. The series is built on the powerful Qwen 3 VL foundation model and employs an innovative two-stage retrieval process. The embedding model performs efficient initial recall, while the re-ranker model refines results in the subsequent re-ranking stage. The models inherit Qwen 3 VL's multilingual capabilities, supporting over 30 languages, and are available in 2B and 8B parameter scales. On the authoritative MMEB v2 multimodal embedding benchmark, Qwen 3 VL embedding 8B ranks first among all models with a total score of 77.8.
On January 8, 2026, the world's first AI foundation model stock, Zhipu AI, went public on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. On the same day, Chief Scientist Tong Jie released an internal letter officially announcing that GLM-5 will soon meet the public. Since launching flagship model GLM-4.7, Zhipu AI's MOS annual recurring revenue has soared from 20 million yuan to over 500 million yuan, achieving an astonishing 25x growth in 10 months. First-day stock price rose over 7% in morning trading, with market cap exceeding 54.8 billion HKD. In the internal letter, Tong outlined 4 2026 strategic directions: GLM-5 release, new model architecture design, more generalizable reinforcement learning, and forward-looking deployment of next-generation learning paradigms. He specifically noted that the transformer architecture, widely used for nearly 10 years, has shown limitations in ultra-long context computational overhead, memory mechanisms, and update mechanisms. Zhipu will explore entirely new model architectures.
On January 8, 2026, Elon Musk's xAI previewed the upcoming Grok Build, a new vibe coding programming agent. Grok Build will be released as a local CLI tool, while also supporting a web UI interface, allowing developers to drive AI through natural language instructions to execute a complete workflow from planning and searching to code building. This local operation feature, combined with deep integration with platforms like GitHub, will provide developers with greater privacy and flexibility. xAI already launched Grok Code Fast 1 in August 2025, a model focused on rapid coding tasks, currently available through partners like GitHub Copilot and Cursor. Grok Build's launch will position XAI in direct competition with mature AI coding tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI Codex.
Here comes today's crazy question. OpenAI uses GPT 5.2 to enter the vertical healthcare sector. Gmail gives 1 billion users free AI upgrades. And Zhipu announces GLM-5 and explores new architectures on IPO day. Which of these 3 news items has the biggest impact on your work and life? Is it the healthcare AI breakthrough, daily email intelligence, or the rise of Chinese foundation models? What's your choice? See you in the comments. Twotwo CrazyAI. More craziness tomorrow.